The Stainless Works 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with factory connections is an excellent option for 2021 and newer 5-liter F-150 owners looking to unlock more horsepower, torque, and aggressive sound from their truck. Whether you're chasing better throttle response, improved exhaust flow, or a deeper, throatier exhaust note, these headers deliver performance gains while maintaining emissions compliance with these high-flow catalytic converters. These long tube headers are designed for maximum performance gains, improving exhaust scavenging and reducing back pressure to help your engine breathe better. With 1 7/8 inch CNC mandrel bent primary tubes, these headers allow for increased airflow, making them perfect for naturally aspirated and supercharged applications. The high-flow catalytic converters ensure that your truck remains street-friendly, reducing emissions without significantly restricting that performance. Stainless Works designs these headers for a deep, aggressive exhaust note, enhancing the sound of your 5-liter without excessive drone. The Factory Connect design allows for a direct fit with the stock exhaust system, eliminating the need for any additional modifications. Whether you're looking for substantial horsepower boost or just want more refined exhaust notes, these headers provide a balance of power and sound. These headers are made in the USA from premium 304 stainless steel, and the headers are built for maximum durability and corrosion resistance. The TIG welded construction ensures a strong leak-free seal, while the CNC machined flanges provide a precise fit to prevent warping or exhaust leaks over time. The high-flow catalytic converters are constructed to withstand high temperatures, maintaining efficiency without compromising your performance. Now, as far as pricing goes on this full setup, it's going to come in that mid to upper 2000s price range. Now, this is a premium made product in the USA, so it does command a premium price. But the performance gains and the stronger exhaust note that this is going to give you can help justify that price tag, along with that high quality hand welded 304 stainless steel. Installation requires mechanical expertise, as these headers involve removing the stock exhaust manifolds and connecting the new ones to the factory setup. So you can expect to spend an entire weekend on this install. So we're going to go ahead and give this a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Now, once you get this installed, a custom tune might be a good idea so that you can maximize those performance gains and ensure you have proper engine calibration. Alright, that's going to wrap up our review of the Stainless Works 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with factory connections for the 2021 and newer 5-liter F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.